Hello and welcome back to Katie's Business Tips. Just going to have a short video here on how to automate routine tasks in your business. The more we can automate things, the more efficient things become typically. In this day and age, of course, businesses have the capability to automate many routine tasks that can save them time, reduce errors, and free up resources on more important tasks, let's be honest. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to automate routine tasks in your business. First of all, identify the tasks you and your team do repetitively. What are the repeat tasks that you're doing over and over and over again? Now, when we look at that, we're probably going to identify a couple things. Email is probably going to be one of them. Let's be honest. Invoicing might be another. Social media postings might be another. Leads follow-up, appointment scheduling, data input, customer support. These are some examples, and probably some pretty good examples, of things that you're going to do repeatedly in your business. So once we kind of look at what the areas are that we may want to automate, because those are the repetitive stuff we do, we're going to look at the tools. We got to choose a tool for repetitive tasks. Here's some examples. So let's say it's email marketing. Well, we want to look at the email marketing like MailChimp and Constant Contact, things that can automate emails if you're constantly setting up marketing emails. You can also look at AI inboxes that organize your email, and even some of them will even draft replies that you can review and send. Customer follow-up is another one, and there's HubSpot. There's CRMs available that do that, like Salesforce and others. Zoho. There's various tools that can automate your workflow in following up with your customers. Invoicing, bookkeeping, QuickBooks is awesome. Wave, Xero, there's a few of them, but of course QuickBooks being the granddaddy. Appointment scheduling is a good one. So Calendly and Outlook now has, depending what version Outlook has you have, it has calendar booking links too as well, just like Calendly does. So appointment scheduling is a big one. Having those calendar links instead of going, well, he's available this day and that day, you just, I'm going to send you the link, go book something. Well, that saves a lot of time. Social media postings, Hootsuite is a fantastic pre-scheduler for all your social media. Buffer is another one. Team communication, so you can use Team, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Google Meet, things like that. So you can automate certain things, like you can automate the note takers in there and things like that too as well. Workflows between apps. Zapier, Make is another one. So these are, when you have third-party applications and you want to bring into your main software API. Document signing, so things like DocuSign, we use PandaDoc as another one. So, automate your document signing more and more, that'll help. So there's various things, and these are just some examples. We can't get into them all here. But again, you're looking at what is repetitive and what things can I put in place, what softwares or tools can I use to automate that. And then once you get the right tools, you need to set up your automations. For example, if you're setting up social media scheduling with Hootsuite, plan 1 week of content, schedule your post on the app, and auto-publish it. Boom. Once a week, you're doing your whole post for the week. Maybe invoicing and payments. Maybe automatically send an invoice after every service, or every week, or every month, or whatever it is. Everything's automated. Sending automated payment reminders, or late payments, or whatever it is, right? And then document your process. Make sure you document your process so others have reference and will be able to maintain that standard process easily, and changes can also be adjusted and made. And review your process and update when necessary. Review your automations regularly and see where things can be improved, because things will be improved as you go. And also see maybe new tools come out. You might need to replace those old tools with something newer and better. They're always coming out with better things. Or sometimes the tools you have upgraded and you didn't even know about it. So always stay on top of that. Thanks again for being a part of our Katie's Business Tips, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.